Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download PDF from ChatGPT on your phone. First of all, what you have to do is open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. Yes, you do not have to open the application. You have to go to the URL of your web browser and click on continue with Google to sign in or log in into your ChatGPT account. As you can see now, I'm signed in. I will close the desktop site. Now, what I will do, I will open a new chat and I will type in subscribe to my channel. Then I will type in make this text as PDF. Hit enter. Your PDF is ready. If I click on the blue link, as you can see, it has downloaded a file. If I go to my downloads folder, as you can see, here's the file. If I open the file, it has created me a PDF file with the text subscribe to my channel. So that's simply how you can download PDF from ChatGPT on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.